KHOU 11 Investigates is uncovering new videos from inside the Harris County Jail, raising fresh questions about how inmates are treated behind bars.
Yeah, the footage is now evidence in a sweeping federal lawsuit against Harris County that even cites our own KHOU 11 documentary entitled Struck, which exposed detention officers routinely striking inmates in the head.
Investigative reporter Jeremy Rogowski joins us now with this latest development. Jeremy.
Mia and Len, first off, a warning. Some of the videos are difficult to watch, and parents, you may not want your kids to see. Attorneys claim they show unnecessary and excessive force, delayed medical care, and a failure to properly check on inmates who in some cases died.
What happens inside the Harris County Jail is usually hidden behind concrete walls and locked doors. But newly released videos shine a light on the treatment of inmates who were injured, suffered medical emergencies, or died, like Jacoby Pillow, held on a misdemeanor trespassing charge, and until this encounter with detention officers was set to bond out the next day.
Jacoby mattered. All these lives here mattered.
A total of 27 inmates and their families sued Harris County 3 years ago, and attorney Ben Crump's firm has been fighting for the videos ever since, claiming his clients were deprived of their constitutional rights.
We want justice for each and every one of them. Somebody has to be held accountable.
Some videos allege unnecessary force, like when Ryan Twett covered up a jail camera. This was the response. Punched in the head and hauled to the ground. Or inmate Jeremy Garrison, with his hands cuffed behind his back, rammed headfirst into a door.
And I told him, I said, I think you broke my neck. He said that I don't care.
We spoke with Garrison last year after his 2 neck surgeries, before the video was released.
I could have been paralyzed from the neck down on a breathing tube for the rest of my life.
The videos are some of the hundreds of exhibits in the civil rights lawsuit, and among the evidence cited by plaintiffs, our own documentary. KHOU 11 Investigates revealed detention officers struck inmates in the head more than 800 times over a 4-year period, but only a handful ever got disciplined. Sheriff Ed Gonzalez later revised the department's policy on use of force.
You brought some things to our attention that we could be doing better.
But the federal lawsuit accuses Harris County of other systemic failures, like delayed or inadequate medical care and not making proper rounds. The state requires face-to-face observation of every inmate at least once every hour. But this video appears to show a detention officer walking right past cell doors without ever looking in, then scanning a QR code to show he made the rounds. The detention officer in this video allegedly did the same. Records show about 40 minutes later, another officer on the same cell block notices something wrong. Inmate William Barrett was found unresponsive, taken away on a stretcher, and later pronounced dead.
The Texas Commission on Jail Standards has cited Harris County several times over recent years for improper observation rounds. Sheriff Ed Gonzalez declined to comment on the active litigation, but his office said the state recently certified the jail as in compliance with all safety, medical, and operations standards. Ben Crump Law also declined to comment on the details of the case, but did say it is seeking justice for its clients and hopes it will lead to long-term reform at the Harris County Jail. Guys, this case is set for trial September 14th.
We know you'll be following every aspect of it. Jeremy Rogowski, thank you.
Jeremy, thank you. And by the way, for 2 years, the KHOU 11 Investigates team has been looking into claims of excessive force in the Harris County Jail. You can stream our documentary, Struck, right now on the KHOU 11 app.